Well, welcome to yet another Dynodaze Fn2 Honda Civic Type R video. And yes, we've got a lovely silver one in the house. This is Dan's, and he's had some modifications today. He's had a CPL Big bore and a Tegiwa 70mm since last time we've seen it. So it's time to get tuned in with the ecutek software and see where we get to. Here we go.
Hi everyone, just a quick update about the car since I've had it back from Dynodaze. What an incredible transformation. I mean, I've had the car in with them probably last year, I think. Could have been early this year actually. Had a few mods before. Car was brilliant back then when it was mapped and stuff like that, and it was such a great car. But since I've had these new upgrades, wow. The car is just so much smoother now. A lot easier to drive. I mean, the mods I had on were pretty decent, but obviously it just shows you if you spend the money correctly, it's amazing what you can make the car actually to be, with the hard work of obviously people like Geno bolting on all the stuff and me pestering him, asking loads of silly questions and stuff, but they couldn't be more helpful. And then obviously Rich's magic tuning the car itself has really made it such an enjoyable car now. Absolutely love the thing since I've had it back. I've given it a good blast since obviously I had it done. I couldn't originally because the weather was so bad, but now that I actually have taken it for a ride, I love it. Couldn't want anything else. Such a great car. Anybody else that's thinking about getting anything done in the future, give these guys a shout. There's nobody out there like them. They're so good at what they do. But yeah, if you need to get any information or any advice on what's best for your car, just give them a call or find them on Facebook, all the socials, YouTube, all the good stuff. Anyway, all the best. Cheers, guys.
Well, red line is as she came in, and blue line is as she leaves. We've made power across the gate, across the board there, but as you can probably guess, that's mostly CPL induction kit and Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system. Finishing on 290, we'll call that 220, 190 at the wheels. That's another one in the bag. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I love this bit of kit. Available on the website. If you do need anything, give us a shout. FN2 parts are plenty on the website. And we have a Honda meet here last Saturday of every month in the morning. So if you fancy a cup of coffee and you want to talk Hondas, or you just want to come down, hang out and see what's on, come and say hello. We'd love to see you. And until the next one, we'll see him soon, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.